Across California, decades of groundwater pumping have placed enormous stress on aquifers. It's time to invest in effective and sustainable solutions.
We need to head to more sustainability on our groundwater. So going to surface water is an easy alternative. So if we can keep our local water here and use it all before we go to the deep wells, it would ensure water for future generations. My great-grandfather was a dryland farmer, so we went from dry land to irrigation, and that's more or less why I'm on the Stockton East Water Board, to try and ensure we have water for future generations via recharge projects or this Farmington Dam proposed project to keep water for the farmer and community.
Formed in 1948, the Stockton East Water District has been assigned the mission of restoring declining groundwater levels by providing new surface water supplies.
Our vision is to be a regional leader and reliable partner by implementing innovative solutions to achieve groundwater sustainability. Our district covers a little more than 143,000 acres. We're within the eastern San Joaquin groundwater subbasin, which underlies 770,000 acres of cities, rural residences, agriculture. As the groundwater is overdraft, the levels of the entire aquifer decline. That results in higher pumping costs, less water availability, specifically for domestic customers, as the water levels may drop below their pumping level. So maintaining our groundwater level not only is required by law when we have a 2040 horizon for compliance with that, but it's also necessary to protect our rural residences, cities, and farmers that rely on that water when we have a drought year.
It's important for water recharge so we don't overdraft, so we're not in curtailment, so the state's not telling us we can't pump. So growers have the ability to produce their crops so that we can grow food for the nation.
At the Stockton East Water District, a major effort is underway to create new surface water storage and reduce dependence on those depleted underground aquifers.
Stockton East's proposed Farmington Reservoir project would repurpose the existing Farmington Flood Control Dam into a year-round water storage facility. Currently, the dam will impound about 52,000 acre-feet of floodwater and meter the release to prevent potential flood damage to downstream communities. The dam is not permitted to store water year-round, so our project would improve the dam so it could provide year-round water storage and raise it about 11.5 feet to create 60,000 acre-feet of additional storage. Through those actions, we would develop a new surface water supply of up to 112,000 acre-feet each year.
The Farmington Reservoir project will greatly enhance our day-to-day operations going forward once it is built. It'll allow us to become more proactive rather than reactive. Right now, our systems are heavily reliant on the timing of water being available when we need it. We have no real way to store water from one of our biggest systems. This will allow us to store water in from New Melones dam and park it there. It'll integrate greatly with our water recharge programs, allowing us to release water from that new project and put it in recharge basins, thereby also reducing groundwater pumping. Furthermore, it'll allow us to have a more efficient system since we are going to be in a lot more control of release of water.
The number one economic industry in San Joaquin County is agriculture. Our community relies on water both for urban development and continued agricultural growth. We're facing a potential supply deficit of about 43,000 acre-feet by 2075. So a big project like this is really necessary to offset the potential loss of supply.
To learn more about Stockton East Water District, visit their website sewd.net or see this segment again on InsideTheBlueprint.com.